Jealousy is the art of counting blessings of others instead of your own. Either it is jealousy or it is envy, these particular traits have hampered the entire generation of people. Now, let me just give you an incident what happened to me. 2.5 years ago, there was a reunion of sorts in my school. Many of my friends were there. Some people were pursuing IAS, some were IAS, some were CAs, some were doctors, and some were pursuing their careers in MBA. Now, the different thing that happened that day was that I was feeling negative about each and every person in that hall. In their achievements, I was feeling a sense of negativity towards them. I was having negative thoughts, I was having negative feelings, I was getting angry on each and every one of them. That, friends, was jealousy, and today I felt that that was wrong with me, and that is wrong with everybody or almost everybody in today's world. So today's series on Guidance Guru is what is wrong with you, and the topic at hand is jealousy. Obviously, I had to do something about myself because I cannot have a constant headache in my head. I cannot think negative about everybody because I had a simple feeling that my mind is a private affair that does not consist of people, that does not consist of thoughts of others. That day I realized I had to know, I had to master the art of not getting jealous. And for that, the first thing that I did was this. Yes, note feelings and thoughts. We've discussed in the earlier videos that how to make a journal. Now that journal has transpired my life, has transformed my life immeasurably. Now the first thing that happened is that I used to write notes about my daily feelings. You would believe or not, but 90% of the feelings were negative. And 90% of the feelings were about others and not about myself. That day I realized that I have to note down every feeling and I have to cut down on the feeling that I have in sense of negativity towards others. You would be amazed that at this point of time, around 50-60% of my feelings are focused on myself and how I would be of help to the society. Now that was the first thing that happened that changed my life tremendously. And there's a simple saying that your actions and your words are only the practical things of what you think. So if you think in a good manner, the actions and the words would be good, would be great. So that is the first part. Let's go to the second part. This is again a very life-altering statement. Yes, compete, not compare. According to various people, competition is good. Yes, if somebody is excelling in a particular section, if somebody is excelling in the section that I want to be good at, try to compete with them. Do not try to compare because everybody, either it's a Virat Kohli or a Sachin Tendulkar, each one of them had different features. Their batting styles were different, they used to perform differently. So you can compete, but you cannot compare because everybody has a unique identity, everybody has a unique skill set, and you also have a unique skill set. If you want to beat a particular person, beat by playing good, beat by working good, beat by doing something that is of your own. Do not copy, do not cheat, and do not compare. That is the second part. Let's move forward and go to the third part. The third part is appreciate every time. Now, a simple statement, and perhaps that would demystify or decipher this particular statement, that is appreciate every time. Now, no matter anybody achieves something, no matter the achievement is not of your own, celebrate as if that is of your own. That should be the modus operandi for mastering not to be jealous. If anybody that you know, anybody that is an acquaintance, anybody that is sitting beside you is doing something worthwhile, always appreciate. Do not hesitate, do not be nervous, do not be negative about appreciating everybody that you see that has done something worthwhile. Because friends, the world deserves people who inspire. And if a person, if a friend, if my father, if my friends are inspiring me, appreciate each and every time. Let's go to the next part. And this is the part that perhaps make me happy every day. Yes, that is treat yourself. Now every day there are opportunities, every day there are moments that you need to master, that you need to win. Now, those moments could be rather very simple. For example, I prefer having 6 glasses of water, and when I have a 6 glass of water, I feel very happy. I want to treat myself. I feel as if I've conquered, I have conquered. I have won a war. That is the first. Second part, for example, I feel that I want to act in a certain manner. I want to better my relationship with my father, with my brother, and if I do that, that is an achievement, and that day I treat myself. So either it's a small achievement or it's a very big achievement. That achievement should be treated rather well. You should appreciate, you should feel good about yourself that you've done something, no matter how small it is. That is a moment of wow, that is a moment of enjoyment. So that is the third part. Let's move forward and go to the other section. This is the last part, but this is the crux. This is the basis, this is the starting of how not to be jealous. Yes, that is company matters. If I'm surrounded with people who are negative, if I'm surrounded with people who try to pull down people, if I'm surrounded with people who always talk dirty about others, if I'm surrounded by people who perhaps do not want anybody to excel, how on this holy earth I would excel? Number one. Number two, if I have people who try to see the skills that I have, who try to motivate me with whatever resources I have, who always say good about me in front of me as well as behind me, that is a good company. So the thing that matters, the thing that makes you less jealous is the people. Because if a particular person cares about you, he would not at all try to make you jealous. And if a person is ill, if a person is ill-hearted, if a person is bad, perhaps that particular person wouldn't show that you are jealous at all. Remember, in today's commercial world, everything, no matter it's an iPhone, no matter it's a costly car, these products are a symbol of envy. These products are a symbol of jealousy, and you have to be pretty practical about things in a manner in which that no matter these things are with you or you do not have them, you have to be happy. And if this is the simple mentality, you would perhaps not be jealous, and coming months you would feel that yes, you are focusing more on yourself rather than others. So it's a good thing to be happy, it's a bad thing to be jealous. Remember, you were watching the video on Guidance Guru. Your success is our success. Thank you so much.